Robotic clamps secure wafers onto spinning discs, where slurry flows smooth surfaces to mirror. Technicians supervise flow rates and alignment as the conveyor tracks wafers through polishing stations. In the vacuum deposition hall, wafers travel along the conveyor into sputtering chambers. Robotic arms transfer the wafers as chamber lids lift. Technicians supervise gas flows, ensuring precision in building the electrical pathways. In the sorting hall, diced chips travel along conveyors, inspected by high-speed optical scanners. Technicians supervise as robotic arms swiftly remove any defective units from the production line. Coating applied evenly, moving to inspection. Surface uniformity confirmed, sending to dry. Drying complete, boards ready for next stage. Precision feeding systems deliver components to synchronized pick-and-place machines. Workers in anti-static gloves reload reels, whereas Conveyor drives industrial efficiency in electronics manufacturing. Line stable. Zone 1 is ramping up to 150. Confirmed. Zone 2 is at 200 and holding. Boards look good. Peak temp reached. Cooling zone is active. In a high-tech assembly hall, micro-LED displays are born from precision engineering. This seamless workflow hides as robotic arms place LED grids onto laminate tech. Pressure is stable at 200 psi, no misalignments. Layer alignment is perfect. Proceed to compression. First cylindrical cells are forming now. Conveyor speed is optimal, output is consistent. In this automated lab, batteries cycle through charge and discharge tests. Technicians oversee the process, tracking performance metrics energy storage solutions. Adhesive application verified. Initiating alignment. Alignment confirmed. Engage press. Pressure is nominal. Seal integrity confirmed. Adhesive flow optimal. Next unit advancing. Alignment is good. Proceed with the next feed. Feed reel is steady. Roller is applying now. Surface is clear. Next device. Trays inserted, integrity verified. Lids closing now. Confirmed. Next batch moving to sealers. System shows retrieval complete. Moving to conveyor now. Confirmed. Next batch ready for loading. All clear. Dispatching to docks. Scan complete, next batch. This pallet's clear, moving to carts. Inventory updated, ready for display. This model integrates seamlessly with your smart home. Impressive. How is the battery? It has a 5,000 mAh battery for all-day use.
This tablet is optimized for multitasking. Can I see the split screen feature? Here's your phone, all set,
Great, thanks.
and your receipt.
Perfect.
Have a good one.
You too. Thanks for shopping.